Have you ever wondered what makes superheroes so strong and smart? Meet Jamie, who thought vegetables were boring until one magical evening. In the garden, Jamie found a talking carrot, introducing itself as Captain Carrot. Captain Carrot shared the secret. Vegetables give us superpowers like strength and quick thinking. Next, Jamie met Betty Broccoli, who boasted about being a brain booster. Each vegetable in the garden revealed their unique superpower, fascinating Jamie. Tommy Tomato taught Jamie about the power of antioxidants, fighting off villains like sickness. With each story, Jamie's reluctance turned into a quest for more vegetable knowledge. The journey led Jamie to understand that vegetables are nature's superheroes. As the night fell, Jamie promised to try every vegetable, unlocking their secrets. Back at home, Jamie excitedly shared the adventure with family, advocating for vegetable heroes. The next day, Jamie couldn't wait to explore the world of vegetables, starting with breakfast. Each meal became an adventure, with Jamie discovering new tastes and powers. Jamie's journey transformed not just eating habits, but sparked a love for healthy living. And so, vegetables became Jamie's trusted allies in the quest for strength, health, and fun.